Today, I want to tell you about my approach to the sound of English. I have passed math with English when I was in the first grade of middle school. In the first class, my English teacher said we should take our test next time and ask us to memorize English words. His way of talking was very soft, but we are not all ears. In the very second session, my English teacher entered the classroom holding a bamboo stick in his right hand, which seemed to be thicker than an arm of adult. Just one of my 50 friends passed the exam. A strong physical punishment by my English teacher was waiting for us. The moment we were waiting for in line, all of us felt terrified. The moment I was hit, I felt as if my head was stabbed with a dagger. I am sure that the above story must have been just my own experience. English is a language, but from the beginning, we never had a chance to hear the sound of native speakers. Only through the puzzling passages above, most of which were made into a vocabulary list, we would learn it by rote. It was thought just like clicking a code to prove how we couldn't have an English ability. So, it has really proved that because of this method of learning English, most of people in Korea, as a result, could not express their feelings and emotions in English naturally. Afterwards, having majored in English, learning the method of teaching, I've come to the conclusion that it is the grammar translation method that we learn English in the middle and high school. Even more effective, this such method is still being used in our system of education. English is a language. Korean is a language. As a born, the first thing we will learn starts with the sound of our mother tongue. Eating, drinking, peeing, laughing, and crying. We grow very gradually observing and imitating the sound of all in our native tongue, and ultimately expressing it without a hitch. Isn't it amazing? A lot of babies are being born a day from all over the world. After a period of some time, they can splendidly acquire their mother languages. If they are a special secret at something delicate and difficult learning process of the first language, could they master their mother languages? What is the reason? The starting point of the acquisition and learning of every language in the world is that it starts with the sound of an absorption process of mother tongue. Each sound contains all sorts of nutrients, grammar sense, vocabulary sense, and word sense, and so forth. Here is the secret to the acquisition of English. We should start with the learning sound of English itself. We need to learn a living sound that native English speakers use every day. Straight to speak, its sound doesn't exist by level. The sound is the same if a child hears it or if an adult hears it in all the surroundings. In addition, we should surely become aware of the differences between the sound of Korean and that of English. We need to practice making English sound so that we may pick it up. For example, what I mean goes as follows. 글이 아닌 소리를 통해 진짜 영어의 문을 열어야 한다. This is a Korean sentence, but if I make it sound like English, it'll sound like this. If I say a word individually, 그리 아닌 소리를 통해 진짜 영어의 문을 열어야 한다. If I make it quickly. 그 아닌 소리를 통해 진짜 영어의 문을 열어야 한다. Can you hear it? Its sound together breathes into rhythm and creates a unique sound of English. It ought to have its sound. It is also one native English speakers of everyday create. No matter how hard you may study English based on the Korean sound of English, your brain will treat them as noise from your voice. In the end, in the way we've done, we can hardly achieve what we have wanted. Like it or not, English has become an international language. Mastering up to the level of native speak, we should make English a weapon of vital life for my son, for our family, for our society, and for our national interest in the era of globalization. Thank you for listening to my humble speech. I wish you would be happy with your loved ones. Good luck. Thank you.